Tess Little, and I'm here at the Dana Wiley Gallery with the Art Matters exhibition. And I'm happy to say that I have 3 pieces in the exhibit. This first piece is a stand, and it is actually a stand of bamboo that's cast in bronze. I really like to work with natural resources and natural environmental things, and I like to find things, work with found objects, and these are actual bamboo canes that I raised in my yard, and I actually cast these in bronze. And to me, this echoes the repetition of nature and the systematic, beautiful systems in nature of repetitiveness and rhythm and just the symmetry and the work in nature. And I just thought it was a very, very beautiful way to celebrate the natural environment and bamboo, and I love bamboo. It does get wild, but anyway, so that's what this piece is about. It's called The Stand, and it's about loving nature.